G'day, this is Ben from Fusion Lighting, and in this short video I will show you how to hang Festoon lights quickly and easily, and so they stay up permanently. So let's take a look at how you do that. Eye screws and wall plugs, depending on what you're attaching to, a turnbuckle for one end, a fast link for the other end, 1.6mm wire cable works great, and zip ties to attach your Festoon to the wire cable. So you drill a hole, then attach your eye screw to the surface you're going to use as your anchor point. Then at the end you could attach your turnbuckle and one end of the wire cable, so you can tighten it up with the turnbuckle if needed. Then on the other end we use the fast link system, so you feed it in one end. It's got a ratchet system inside it, so once it's in there, and the only way to get it out is to cut it. Feed it through your eye screw, then back, so you'll create a loop, and then you ratchet it up, and then once that's on and not coming off. Then using your zip ties, you simply attach your Festoon cable to the wire you've now hung up. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. These Festoon lights have been up for years and they look beautiful and got a passion fruit vine growing over them. That's a very easy way to hang your Festoon lights.